In this video, I'm going to be talking about whether copying from fashion influencers can help improve your style or not. Let's get into it. First up on the list, we've got easy inspirations. And when it comes to fashion influencers, they really do help us elevate your outfit really well, and sometimes also help you, give you the map on how to style your outfit. Especially if you do have some outfits that you don't know how to style, fashion influencers can literally just give you the map on how to style it. And this is really important because if you're trying to go for a day or they're trying to go for a night out and you have clothes in your wardrobe that you don't know how to style them, fashion influencers can literally just help you know how to put them together and also know how to accessorize your clothes, which is really important, and they could really also help you improve your looks easily. Discovering new brands. Now, when you copy from fashion influencers, you get to discover new fashion brands, you get to discover some affordable brands, and you never know, they might be your next favorite brand. So when you do copy from fashion influencers, it really does help you get a lot of options, and you know where to buy from and where not to buy from, especially with your outfits. So when you copy from fashion influencers, you know what type of outfit pieces you must go for, which is also really important when you do discover a lot of fashion brands. Confidence boost. Now, when you copy from fashion influencers, you get to know what works and what doesn't work, especially because you've seen the outfit being worn by the fashion influencer already. So you now know what is going to work and what is not going to work for you. So copying from fashion influencers really does help you because they also really do educate you about some fashion, and you get to know what type of color will be going well with your outfit, and also how to accessorize your outfit, which is also really important because if you do copy from fashion influencers, these are the type of things that you need to know and know what is going to help you, especially if you're someone who's really into streetwear or old money. These are really important because you get to know what type of things you need in your wardrobe and what type of outfit pieces, what type of shoes, and a whole lot more. So copying from fashion influencers can really do help you improve your style, educate you, and also boost you, especially when it comes to your confidence, which is really important because anytime you put on an outfit, you know that you're really having it. Now, moving towards the downsides of copying from fashion influencers, starting off, you've got unrealistic expectation. So anytime you do copy from fashion influencers, you must know most of their videos and photos are edited. So anytime you get the similar outfit piece that they used in their video or photo, it's not going to look like exactly the same on you because most of the time it's edited. And yeah, it doesn't really help because if you bought something like that, you're gonna waste your money, and now you don't know what you're gonna be doing with it. So anytime you're copying from fashion influencers, make sure not to be expecting like the same results, because sometimes their videos and photos are edited, and anytime you do buy an outfit piece or a shoe or anything similar to what they bought, don't expect that you're going to be having the same results as them. Getting trapped in trends. So if you're someone who's really into fashion and you're always copying from other fashion influencers all the time and you're always following their trends, you must know that trends do come and go, and if your wardrobe is only full of clothes that are all about trendy stuff, you must know that it's going to be outdated and you wouldn't even know where to wear these clothes. And so make sure you always just go for all rounders. These are really important, as I've been saying this in my videos. Getting all around the outfit pieces really do help you because you can always mix and match it, and you're gonna get a well elevated style. So make sure you don't always copy from fashion influencers because it doesn't help, and the clothes are really gonna feel outdated, which is not also gonna be beneficial for you. So make sure you don't copy fashion influencers trends all the time. Copying trends there and there really does help to make you feel fashionable, really does help, but always make sure you do have some mix and match clothes. So in conclusion, is it good to copy from fashion influencers? Well, the answer is yes, because they help you know what works well for you and what doesn't, and also they also help you to discover new fashion brands for affordable clothes. So if you've made it to this far of this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on post notification because you don't want to miss anything that I post. And I'll see you in my next video.